Hey, uh, well, talk a little bit about my feed handle for the lead screw. Uh, I knocked it out. It's nothing extraordinary. Some 3-inch cast iron I had on hand. I attempted to do a knurl and pretty well failure. Although I ended up with a rough surface, so that'll suffice. Anyway, somebody pointed out that there was a modification similar to this on one of the Myford 7s, I think. Uh, Anyways, it come up that I was attempting to do some milling. I've got a milling attachment that mounts on my 9x20. Actually, it didn't take too long. We can throw this out and disengage the feed, and then the next step for me is to build a indicator holder so that I can track how far I'm moving the carriage in and out. We'll see how it goes. That's if I had a better milling machine, I could make a fitting similar to the one I have for the mini lathe. The mini lathe um, is a fitting that, or a clamp that I bought for the mini lathe, but the V notch doesn't match up on this on the 9x20. So something similar. We'll see what happens. I have to think about that a while and try to figure out how I'm going to do I guess it's about close to a 90-degree V. We'll see. Anyways, that's about it. It didn't take me long to whip this out. A couple of false starts. I was making these too short and the handle would have interfered. This way I've got finger room around the end. And so far a single set screw. And that works alright. Anyways, make something. Have fun.